What is the translation that maps the function f of x equals x squared minus 1 onto the function g of x, x squared plus 1? You're looking for translation. This is an active calculator part, so you either use the graphing calculator to graph both of them and try to find what happened to the graph from f of x when it goes from f of x to g of x. Is it going to move 2 units up, down, right, left? Another way is you just plug a number. We know this one is going to be a quadratic function because that's x squared and x squared. It doesn't matter if it's quadratic function or what function is that. It is going to be working in the same way. So I'm just going to graph an x-axis and the y-axis here. Okay. The easiest point that you can find in any function is the y-intercept. The y-intercept here, the y-intercept in f of x equals what? The y-intercept when x equals to 0. So if you put x equals to 0, therefore the y-intercept is negative 1. The y-intercept here, alright, the y-intercept, you get what? Positive 1. When x equals to 0, y equals positive 1. One more time. The y-intercept is where the function intersects the y-axis. Any point on the y-axis, you have x equals to 0 here. Like, for instance, if we call this 1, so this is 0 and 1, 0, 2, 0 and 3, 0 and 4, 0 and negative 1, 0 and negative 2. The value of x is 0. When you put x equals 0 here, you get y equals negative 1 and y equals 1. So the first function, the y-intercept is negative 1. Let's put some points here on the y-axis. You don't need the x. You don't need, actually, I don't need the shape of this function. I don't need anything. All I'm looking for is just the y-intercept. Okay, the first point here is negative 1. The y-intercept of the first point of the first function is negative 1. The first and the y-intercept of the second function is positive 1. So what happened to the function here? It moved up by 2 points. 2 points or 2 units up. This is one way. The other way is graphing the function. You got to graph this. So graph both of them. X squared minus 1 and x squared plus 1. Let's make the second line thicker. You just move your cursor here and highlight this one. Click enter to make it a little bit thicker. So the first function is the regular line and the other one is thick line. Look at the function here. So the first one is, okay, let me just zoom 6 or the regular zoom. The first one is here. So this is negative 1 and this is positive 1. So this is the first function and this is the second function. It went up by 2. It went up by 2. Work well.